Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam authentication failed error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, in the bottom left corner of your screen, click the search bar and type in Task Manager. Once the Task Manager app appears in the results, go ahead and click on it to open the application. This tool will help us reset Steam's background processes, which is often the root cause of authentication issues. Now, inside Task Manager, look for Steam or Steam Client Web Helper in the list of running processes. Once you locate it, right-click on it and select End Task from the menu. This will completely close Steam and all its related services. Don't worry, the application will automatically launch again after a few seconds, so just wait for it to load back up. This restart often clears temporary glitches that prevent proper authentication. Once Steam has relaunched, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. Click on Steam and then select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This is where we'll access important configuration options that can resolve authentication problems. In the left panel of the Settings window, click on Downloads. Now scroll down through the options until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside that option, click the Clear Cache button, then click Confirm when prompted. Clearing the download cache removes corrupted temporary files that might be interfering with Steam's ability to authenticate your session properly. Next, we need to check your system's time settings, as incorrect time can cause authentication failures. Right-click the clock in the bottom right corner of Windows, then click Adjust Date and Time. In the window that opens, make sure the toggle for Set Time automatically is turned on. After that, click Sync Now to ensure your system clock matches the correct time. Steam's authentication servers are very sensitive to time discrepancies, so this step is crucial. If you're using a VPN, you'll want to disable it temporarily. In the bottom right corner of your screen, click Show Hidden Icons to reveal all your system tray applications. Then right-click on your VPN icon and select Disconnect. Although I've already disconnected my VPN in this demonstration, you should do the same if yours is currently active. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Steam's authentication servers and cause connection issues. Now, if the authentication failed error is specifically happening inside a particular game, there's one more step you can try. In the upper left corner, click Library. In the left panel, right-click on the game that's giving you trouble and select Properties. In the Properties window, click Installed Files in the left panel, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and automatically repair them, which often resolves game-specific authentication errors. And that's everything you need to fix the Steam authentication failed error. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.